Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to delete or how to format any USB pen drive that disk is write protected and you are unable to format that pen drive or delete completely that pen drive. As we see here right now, iDrive, see, this is one pen drive. When I insert this pen drive, has been reflected that it has been connected right now. But when I go to format it, it's unable to format. So in that condition, what's the strategy and tricks we have to apply to a complete formatted? See right now, if I would like to format, it will say that disk is write protected. So in that condition, see how would I see right now. If I start to a format, now see it's saying that the disk is write protected. So we are unable to format it. So we have one clue and a strategy for that. That is here. Just we will come. We have one software that is just I would like to tell you it. See, this software name is Ruffers 3.14 tool. Just we will go for run as an administrator, and of course we will hit this. Now see here. Here we will have to, especially select one ISO file, either it's operating system or any especially software that should be in a ISO file. So here, just we will have a one operating system ISO file. This one, just let me have this ones. Now see guys here, if I click here to start, now I would like to show you the situation here of this one. See, this is I, and if I click, it's saying that all the data will be erased, especially or destroyed from this device. Sorry, from this USB pen drive. Now see, it's going to delete it. Now see here, yes, it has started to create a file, so we will have to wait here. Now see, it has been a complete. Now we can cancel it. Now of course we will close this tool, and thereupon what we have to do now, see, once again can I try to format it. Now see, yes, done it successfully of this one. Now how it is, so see, I am sure here. Now see, format complete, and it's done, and completely this USB pen drive has been cleaned. So it's an easy way, similar strategy we need to expect from you. This is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, blindly have the query below the comment box. In course of time, I will reply as soon as possible. So if it is informative and knowledgeable, don't forget like and subscribe to this channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video such as informative guys that might be beneficial those them who are interested to have this kind of information. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.